Hi guys, it's me Shitmore, and today we will be roasting cringe yet again. He is a child.
Game over.
Ha ha ha, okay Bougette guy.
Game over.
What the absolute raw fucking hell.
Over.
Overall, I still don't forget you changing the iconic green to the ugly red.
Game over.
Heh, woman.
Game over.
No! 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 No!
Come on, we've got a whole world to explore.
No! No! No!
Begin.
No!
It's time to
Hell no!
create the
No!
story your own fun way. You can be a doctor, hero, or a clown, a dancing dragon with a flower crown.
Hey, I'll grab onto you, and you use your rockets to get us out of here.
I don't recall you ever apologizing for.
Sorry for removing your face.
Apologizing for not swinging with me. I see how it is. Deal with this yourself then.
I'm moving in with my new roommate.
Okay, so Thursday is your roommate.
Time to make our house feel like home. Aurora's room is full of pink everything. So cute and cozy. It's like stepping into a world of soft pillows and sparkles.
Don't even bother, wow, it's gross.
Side of the house, it's all about tech and sleek design. So cool and futuristic. It's fun to decorate and make our rooms reflect our style.
So boring. I'm so bored. Boring.
Now, what should we do with the rest of the house? Discover your favorite style in Talking Tom and Friends world.
Those fucking ears.
What are you doing?
Bro.
Seriously, Tom? Hey, get back here! Oh no, my masterpiece.
Ah, Tom! Not my favorite gadgets! Joy!
What the
You can do anything in Talking Tom and Friends world. Make your very own character. Pick fun clothes, cool hair, and cute outfits. Show off your style. Explore the map and decorate rooms the way you like. Use your favorite colors. Blossoming spring paradise. Or a secret superhero base. There are no rules. So play your way in a world where little stories grow big. So, what'll be your story? Download Talking Tom and Friends World today. It's free.
Hell.